Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Photsios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1972 Cutlass convertible with a 455. Just a dynamite little machine here, you guys. You got to come up, take a look at this one. We're doing this video for you today so you can make a great buying decision on your classic car investment. And don't forget, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we have customer satisfaction of 100%. So come on up, let's take a look, and we're going to take you for a little ride. Under the hood, we have a wonderful 455, power steering, power front disc brakes, beautiful car here, guys, beautiful running machine. I'm going to fire it up so you can hear this wonderful 455 do its job. Birds like kitten. Didn't even need to pump the gas, started right up. We're going to drop the hood, walk you around the car, and take you for a ride. So you can see the car has beautiful chrome, a beautiful red paint over a nice body, sitting on some BF Goodrich radial TA white letters. Just a dynamite machine here. Somebody did an awesome job in this car. Look how nice and easy the doors open and close. That's a plus for a lot of these cars. Nice straight panels, as you can see in our photographs as well. I'm going to pop the trunk open so you guys can get a peek at the trunk as well. It's got the cutout exhaust like a 442 and some 442 emblems as well. It's a dynamite little machine here. Original spare over there. Looks like original quarters in there as well. And drop the trunk lid and take it down the passenger side. Don't forget, guys, 7 days a week you can reach me, 248-974-9513. Don't let anybody else get the car you want because they come and go very quickly. Let me grab this door here on the passenger side. Same thing over here, open, close, dynamite, boom. Got a beautiful black interior, pretty well flawless, a great working top, as you saw, and a beautiful clean interior in here. Nice bucket seats, console, done right. Call Tom today for a buy it now at 248-974-9513. Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this dynamite 72 Cutlass 442 convertible clone with a 455. Talk about an easy driving automobile. Just a fun, straight, clean driving car. Turnkey. So you can be a contestant, not a spectator at the car show. Wouldn't that be nice? Aren't you sick of going and looking at everybody else's cars? Here's a car that we can get you into that you don't have to do work on. Have some fun in the sun. Don't forget to go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become social subscribers at YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you're planning on buying a classic muscle car, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. We really want to thank you today for joining us in this wonderful 72 Cutlass. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard Motor Sales.